do a ribbon cutting. They used to practice this when they were learning to fly, and what they do is they drop a roll of toilet paper or paper towels just like that, and they turn around real quick and cut the ribbon with the propeller and the wings. So right now Chuck's getting in a position. That's Tippett in the Waco airplane, and watch him make that thing shred. See how many times he can get it
Chuck
before
Tippett.
it gets down close to the ground.
Oh, got one.
There's one.
Chuck's gonna get them. Come
Doing
on,
a high
Chuck's gonna
bank
get
there,
another
turn
one.
around and come back.
Oh,
He got it again.
got number 2.
This is how they practice turning in sharp turns.
He'll get another third
We're
shot
gonna have to
at
give him
it.
a $100 fine for littering or something.
A fine like Ricky Stenhouse Jr. was fined that
Oh,
he
got
received
it.
from the fight with Kyle Busch
He's making a
last
mess
year.
out of that ribbon.
NASCAR driver after the All-Star. 2 drop.
Get it one more time, Chuck.
Oh, got it.
Pretty cool, huh?
Come on, Chuck. One more time. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on.
Pass.
Come on, Chuck. Come on, Chuck.
Hey, you got some more. The only bad part is now we got to go pick up all that toilet paper. Nah, just kidding. We don't have to pick it up.
Can Chuck get the last one?
He's shredding
Nope.
it up so much we may not even find any of it.
Think Chuck might be done. There's Rick Kahn up there ready to do some wonderful aerobatics here.
Okay, Chuck's coming in for a landing. Side slip there to slow the airplane down. Straighten it up and land.